Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 5 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we are doing the bell, apparently. I don't know what bell. I shall have to have a look into it and see. Looking at the Joker, pretty much, I think Penguin and Joker are the two certainly memorable. I mean, from the films, we've got others like Iceman and that sort of stuff. The Riddler. The Riddler's probably, yeah. The Riddler is the three, the trio of big Batman villains. There we go. Obviously, throughout the comics as well. The Killing Joke, I'm familiar with that story. Been a while, but I have read it. There we go. Looking at that. Then back at Detective Comics. And then the Batman comics as well. So, yes, this is my car parts. Not much to do on this issue again, but we're putting together the bell. I'll have a look and see exactly what it is, but we're assembling the bell housing and putting the cable through there. And that is about it. Starter cable, yeah, all good stuff. Right, let's get this out of the way. Let's have a look. Oh, before we do, this issue does show the change in packaging. Instead of it being on the card with a bubble wrap to make it look nice in shop windows, they've now gone back to what I would assume is going to be the standard packaging now, which is just what you need. Label telling you what issue it is and just your parts in a plastic bag. Nice and easy to do. So, yeah, this is how it's going to be going forward, I would expect. But, of course, this is the last of this month's deliveries. So, that's it for now. Let's get this opened and see what we got. Right, this is what we've got. I thought it was some sort of alarm bell or something, but it's not. I think it's part of the engine assembly. So we've got two parts to fit onto here. First of which is this, which is slightly offset. That goes on there. Sticking out the back there with a couple of these FP screws. As this piece is plastic, that part is metal. So we've got two of those screws. There's one. Here's another. Get those in there. On there, like so. That and the other on the other side. Get these tightened up before putting everything together, but for now just get it all together. That one in there. We're doing the same with this piece on that one, except this one doesn't matter which way around it goes. It is in fact symmetrical, and we're using different screws for that. For these EM screws, because as I said, the metal bell piece is metal. Metal piece is metal. Very useful. Lucky I'm here to tell you these things, isn't it? So that one in there, and that one on the other side doing the same. Okay, then we need to put those two together, and they're held in place with 3 of the CM screws. So I shall do that in a moment. But before that, we've got to do things with this. Now, this is interesting. They give you a cable that's too long and tell you to cut it. So be prepared to do some little bit of maintenance work. Take the cable and cut one part to 70 millimeters and the other to 60. So luckily I have a knife and a rule. So we'll go from the end of there to 70. Double check that. Centimeters there, 70 is there. There we go. And the other one to 60. They give you a bit longer than you need in case you mess up cutting it. So that piece is probably rubbish. I'll put that aside for now. Then we need to take the two parts of the cable, the longer of the two, and attach one bit to the end of it. So the longer of the two is that one. And we've got to fix this piece into the end of it. Good. Plug in. Yeah, that's fairly straightforward. And that plugged into there. There we go. Then that attaches to there after I've got it plugged together. It goes, get that lined up again, see what we're doing. Yes, it goes into that hole there, which I won't do quite yet because I need to get that together, as I said. And then the other bit goes into the other bit, into the shorter of the two. Obviously, it doesn't matter which end because they're both the same. That bit goes onto there. Actually, I think I've got them the wrong way round. Yes, I think that's the bit that I need on there. So that needs to go onto the longer one. And that needs to go onto the shorter one. That one on there, that one on there. And the other end of that goes onto hole on there. Apologies for this being black on black. There's not a lot I can do about that, but hopefully you get an idea as to what's going on there. It's got that coming off. It will rotate, so you can have it coming off at whichever angle you like. So that's probably going to come off something like that. Let me get this tightened up together and then get that on there, and then we'll see what the final piece looks like. Okay, there we have it, all put together, and the cable coming off the side there. And that one obviously built up as well. They shall be put aside and hopefully used next time. I don't like having lots of bits floating around loose, but there you go. I shall save that just in case. I shall put it with my spare screws in the box just in case they're needed at some point in the future. Probably won't be, but you never know. So it's always best to keep them until you're finished. So that is that. That's another issue completed, and indeed another delivery completed. So that's that, waiting for the next one to turn up. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Do leave a comment, let me know, and I shall see you for more other part works between now and then. But other than that, about a month until the next Batman. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.